Tomorrow is the big day. We've got our U-Haul booked, so now all that's left to do is get everything that's left in the apartment all ready so that tomorrow can go super smoothly. If you haven't seen my last couple videos and you have no idea what I'm talking about, we're currently in the process of moving to the cutest place in the world. Last weekend we did a bunch of trips with our car, and so now this weekend we're gonna do the big trip with the U-Haul. We're gonna move all of our furniture over, and tomorrow we'll be like officially living there. We haven't spent a night there at all yet, so tomorrow's gonna be the first day. So like I said, the plan for today is just to get everything that's left in the apartment ready to be put on the U-Haul tomorrow. I need to take apart some furniture, I need to pack up my desk, I need to take care of some things on the balcony. There's a lot of random things that need to be done, so let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, I've been working for about 5 hours now, so I'm about to take a break, but before I do that, I wanted to show y'all my progress. So I've packed up all of these things here. This closet is basically empty. My desk is pretty much empty. Here's my tea that I'll be drinking later. I did my best on this shelf. I still need to come back to it later. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with this. And then the balcony looks a lot cleaner, and everything that's out there is just ready to go into the car or the van, I guess, you know, whenever we can move it. I feel like I haven't gotten much done in 5 hours. Like, that's a lot of time, and I don't think I have a lot to show for myself, but my excuse is since there's not as much stuff left, it takes more decision making on like what I need to pack and how I'm gonna pack it, because I have less options of things to pack. Like if I have a small space left in a box, I have fewer options for what I could put there. So I have to spend more time looking for something or rearranging the box, you know what I mean? I guess a better excuse would just be that I'm getting sick and tired of packing and moving, so I'm going a lot slower, but I can't do that because there still is a lot left to do. So I gotta get over myself and be more productive. But I do need to take a break, so I'm gonna just sit on the couch, watch my show, and drink my tea, and then I'll get back to work. All right, the time is finally here. We are about to leave to go get the U-Haul, bring it back, and then fill it up with a bunch of furniture. We still have some packing to do. We still have some things that are left in the kitchen, you know, stuff that we needed from this morning for breakfast, but I think basically everything is packed up. I feel satisfied with the work I did yesterday. I think that we're in a pretty good spot. I just hope that it won't take literally all day long. finished moving basically everything in last night. It was a big day yesterday. I really don't know how much footage I got. Sorry if I didn't get that much. We were just so focused on getting everything in here. It literally took us like 6 hours to load up the U-Haul and then only 1 hour to unload it. Like, that's stupid. So it was just a very long and stressful and strenuous day. So I don't really know what I have for y'all, but I wanted to just bring y'all around the new place and show y'all a little update of everything that's in here. It's a huge mess. Nothing is where it needs to be, but you know, it's all here. So I thought it'd be fun to see. Okay, this is the entryway. Random things everywhere.
I'm not random.
You're not random? Desk chairs in the dining room. Lots of boxes. Kitchen is a mess. Here's our bathroom. That's less of a mess. Office. A bunch of unbuilt furniture. Kind of messy bookshelves, but kind of nice looking. And then bedroom, and we don't have a bed frame because we need to buy a new one. Everything's just a mess. So as you can see, we still have quite a lot of work ahead of us, but I actually have to go back to the previous apartment, and clean today. That's what I'll be doing for the next, I don't know how many hours. I'm gonna just do a deep clean on the apartment, and then, you know, if there's time, you know, we're gonna come back here. We're sleeping here now, but we'll come back here and start setting stuff up. But yeah, first things first, we gotta go get breakfast and then clean. Okay, finally back at the old apartment, and look at how empty it is. We got back here, loaded up the car again with, you know, some remaining things. Jared is on his way back, bringing those things to the new place, and I'm gonna stay here and clean. The goal is to make everything look pretty spotless except for the carpet. I didn't rent one of those carpet cleaning things yet. That might have to be later in the week. I just didn't want to have to deal with that today. And we have our like pre-move out inspection on Tuesday. It's Sunday today. And so I'm just gonna see what they say about the carpet. I honestly think they might rip this carpet out and put new carpet in because this carpet is old. So if I don't have to clean it, I don't want to clean it. I'll vacuum, but I don't really want to do one of those big carpet cleaning machines if I don't have to. Cleaning that apartment yesterday was so much work. It was so much more work than I thought it was gonna be. I was literally cleaning without taking really any breaks for like 9 hours straight. I don't know if I look tired, but I am very tired. I think I've never been this tired in my life. but it's all worth it because this place is seriously the cutest place in the whole world. I know right now it doesn't look like a whole lot because it's a big mess, but just y'all wait. So today the plan is to just unpack things, find places for everything, and organize. I get to spend the whole day here, finally. I have not spent a whole day here at all yet, and we've technically been renting this place for over a week. So this is my first full day here, and I am very excited. As per usual, I was way too tired last night to film anything after I was done unpacking, so we're doing it today. It's also probably better because then you can see this place in the daylight. So obviously it's not all done yet. We still need to buy furniture, rugs, still need to do some more organizing and unpacking, need to hang up pictures, all that good stuff. But it's looking very cute so far, so I thought I'd just bring y'all through a very quick kind of tour of everything. I'll do a proper tour once we have everything actually kind of set up and we have more furniture and rugs and stuff in here. But for now, I just will bring y'all through really quick and show you what I did yesterday. So here is the front door. And when you enter, you see this piano that doesn't have a stool yet. And then here is the living room. We got our TV set up, coffee table, couch with the dog. We put her little bed back here behind the couch for now so that she can look out the window at the street. Over here is the dining room, and we have no dining room furniture. Then here is the kitchen. Looking pretty cute, but you know, needs some work. There are my dirty dishes, please ignore those. Then here is our bedroom. We don't have a bed frame still. And then here is the bathroom. It's very cute in here, just pretty cramped. And then finally, we have the office. So Jared's desk, my desk, my shelf, and then this huge mess here. But look at these beautiful shelves. Oh my gosh. All right, that's it for the weird mini tour. Again, I'll be doing a proper tour once we have everything all set up, but you know, for now, I just wanted to show y'all what we got going on here and our new place that we're living. I think I'm gonna take the rest of the afternoon off though and just relax because my whole body is so exhausted. My brain is so exhausted, and I think I just need some downtime. Moving is a lot. It is so much work, and I just feel like I am so overworked right now. It's so worth it. I love this place, but I do just need a little bit of a break. So thanks for coming along with me while we did this crazy move. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to leave a like, and I hope that y'all have a great rest of your day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.